There is a certain stillness in a room where polished oak whispers beneath your feet and sunlit beige walls cradle the heritage of American estates. Picture Ralph Lauren's timeless luxury unfolding, high ceilings graced with classic moldings, every frame a nod to enduring elegance. This country sanctuary doesn't just surround you, it understands your seasoned grace, inviting peace into your most fulfilling chapters. Imagine stepping into this grand foyer where sunlight dances across polished oak floors, wrapping you in timeless warmth. The beige plaster walls whisper heritage, high ceilings echoing soft elegance through every molding and frame. Feel the inviting pull of classic lamps and fresh blooms. It's not just entry. It's your heritage unfolding, a luxurious country embrace that says, "Welcome home." Sunlight promises endless stories here, friend.
Pure Ralph Lauren Magic.
Sunlight pours into this living room, turning leather sofas into cozy havens. Oak floors gleam underfoot, beige walls cradle you gently. Bay windows frame pastel views, fire crackling softly. Plaid throws beg you to sink in, books whispering secrets. It's pure comfort, heritage woven into every corner. Feel that relaxed luxury? This space holds family laughter, quiet evenings. Your timeless retreat, alive with American heart. Sunlight bathes the dining room, oak floors shining warmly beneath your feet. Beige textured walls create intimate elegance. Crown moldings add stately grace. Crystal sparkles above the mahogany table, ready for stories shared over candlelight. Velvet chairs hug you close. It's more than meals, it's legacy moments, laughter echoing. Feel the heritage pulse? This room crafts memories, friend, in classic luxury glow. Sunlight floods this library, oak floors grounding your thoughts deeply. Beige walls embrace leather chairs. Bookshelves tower invitingly. Wingback seats call for quiet reflection by the window. Brass lamps cast golden pools. It's a sanctuary of wisdom, heritage breathing through every page. Feel that peaceful pull? Lose yourself here, friend, in timeless stories and soft daylight whispers. Morning light awakens the master bedroom. Oak floors soft underfoot. Beige walls cradle serenity. High ceilings lift your spirit. The four-poster bed promises deep rest. Fireside nook for intimate chats. Velvet drapes frame sunlit views. It's your private oasis. Luxury unwinding slowly. Feel that calm luxury wrap you. Heritage comfort, pure and simple friend. Sunlight graces this guest bedroom, oak floors welcoming weary travelers. Beige walls glow softly, window seats invite lazy mornings. Sleigh bed layers plush dreams, fresh orchids scenting the air. It's thoughtful hospitality, heritage in every detail. Feel at home instantly? This retreat whispers, stay longer. Friend, bathed in timeless warmth. Sunlight streams into the kitchen, oak floors sturdy and warm.
Beige walls frame soap tone counters perfectly.
High ceilings amplify cooking joy. Windows invite garden breezes. Copper pots gleam, island begging gatherings. It's heart of home luxury, heritage flavors simmering. Feel that creative buzz? Whip up magic here, friend, in classic American ease. Sunlight illuminates the den, oak floors anchoring masculine charm. Beige walls hold nautical tales. Desk invites bold ideas. Leather chair creaks comfortably, bar cart ready for toasts. It's your command center. Heritage strength everywhere. Feel that powerful calm? Unwind with purpose, friend, in this timeless haven. Sunlight explodes in the conservatory, oak floors blending with greenery. Beige walls frame glass wonders, palms sway gently. Wicker seats cradle relaxation, cushions soft and striped. It's tropical escape within estate walls, heritage freshness alive. Feel that airy bliss? Breathe deep, friend. Nature's luxury calls you. Sunlight spotlights the billiard room. Oak floors steady for shots. Beige walls echo laughter. Green table glows invitingly. Club chairs wait post-game, trophies gleaming proudly. It's recreational royalty, heritage fun distilled. Feel the thrill build? Rack 'em up, friend, in this luxurious country classic. You've walked life's rich path, earning every sunlit corner of beauty that now calls to you. Let this Ralph Lauren-inspired estate remind you, your sanctuary deserves heritage, warmth, and whispers of timeless luxury. Surround yourself with what stirs the soul. Here, in quiet elegance, your best years bloom eternal.